Okay, so I'm excited. I just got my package in the mail and I already know what it is. It is, so I got a Coach bag. Ooh. And I literally bought it at the airport. Well, I went on TikTok at the airport while I was waiting for my flight back home. Look, okay. And I saw this new release and I was like, yeah, I need that. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. And so I literally ordered it right while I was waiting it in line to go on the flight. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm really excited actually. Okay, so this is it. Let's open it together. It's gonna be a quick video, honestly. They make it look bigger than it actually is. They put a lot of stuffing around it. There's nothing in here. It's literally just stuffing. So I've only actually ordered from the Coach outlet before. I don't think I've ever ordered like from the actual Coach bag store before, like the official one. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. Okay, Coach. Let's see about that. So actually, I have ordered something on the original site before because I believe the ones from the outlet don't come with a dust bag. And I do have one that has a dust bag, so I lied. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's beautiful. So, yeah, wow. Oh, all of the C's are like whatever, these crystals. I don't know what I thought it was. I thought it was like these were printed on. Wow. Look at this. Like, oh, I can't wait. Oh my God. Okay, so originally first I fell in love. Oh, let's see. The shell of this Coach piece is made with a blend of cotton sourced from farms that use regenerative agricultural practices and recycled polyester. Crafted to laugh in our Jacquard, it reflects our commitment to rethinking and reducing our impact on the planet. Wear it, love it, pass it on. I like that. Wear it, love it, pass it on. That's so cute. Did you know that regenerative agricultural practices help to maintain and rejuvenate land, increase biological diversity and soil health, and could lead to increased carbon absorption? Neat. That's literally what the tag says. Okay, so let me open this. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So it's very narrow, which I knew already before buying it. Like this is just a little bag. Oh, I had scissors. Here's scissors. Oh my goodness. So I don't even want to cut it right now because I don't know why. I just don't want to cut it right now. So let me see. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just me and my little baggie, my little bag. Yeah. Oh my God, I love this. Look at. So this is with the hardware on. I feel like there's so many things happening right now. I need to like take time afterwards to like cut everything off. But here it is. This is what it looks like. This is the bottom, the sides. This is the piece that you would lock. And here's that. And then on the inside, so there is a little like, y'all can't see that, but there's a little pocket right here. It's very, very tiny. I don't know what you would put in there. I think it's just like, a stamp, more to say that it's from Coach. And then on the other side is the card holders. There is 3 card holders here. And then it's just like an open little pit. Very cute for like a little date or a little dinner out. Yeah. And just like fits like right under your arm. I really like it. Me with my little baggie. Oh, so cute. Yeah, this fits like the vibe. Yeah, I love this. There is another one that I do really like. It is the, I don't know what the name of it is, but it's the one that has the crystallized C's on it. However, that one is $800. And I don't know. I just came back from Mexico. I should not be spending that much on a bag. And so I'm halting myself. And I have it on I'm gonna put it on my vision board. And I'm gonna try and get it later. But this is so freaking cute. I love crystals. I'm in love with crystals. I'm in love with like just shiny stuff. And so when I saw this, I like this more than, they have like the brown one and they have a black crystallized one as well. I like them. They're cute. But this, yeah, I'm satisfied. Oh, this is amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh. Where am I gonna wear it first? I can't wait. So that was just like a little unboxing. It came so quickly. I literally ordered it Monday? Yeah, I ordered it Monday. No. Yeah, no, I ordered it Sunday night. Like, I ordered it, like, what time was my plane? I think my plane started boarding at 9:55. So I must have ordered it around then. And it's Tuesday. It came, I think, at noon or something like that. I don't know. But it was on my doorstep. It was on my doorstep. And I got a notification saying it arrived. So I saw that. I was like, yes. Now I'm going to go and make me some food. Yes. All right, you guys. I just wanted to show y'all. Yeah, this is the bag. It's super cute. And yeah, I'm excited. All right. Ciao.